How did the BJP, a party that won only 2 seats in 1984, become the dominant political force in India? This question has intrigued political analysts and citizens alike. To understand this meteoric rise, we need to journey back to the party's formative years. The Bharatiya Janata Party, or BJP, was born in 1980, an offshoot of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh. The party was rooted in a strong ideology, often labeled as Hindu nationalism, and a commitment to cultural conservatism. However, the early years were far from easy. The BJP grappled with establishing its identity on the national stage, often overshadowed by the incumbent Congress party. Yet, the BJP was not a party to be easily dismissed. It had in its arsenal 2 stalwart leaders, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and L.K. Advani. Vajpayee with his oratory skills and statesman-like persona, and Advani with his strategic acumen and unwavering determination together shaped the destiny of the party. The 1990s marked a turning point for the BJP. The party successfully tapped into the growing feelings of cultural nationalism and discontent with the incumbent government. They harnessed these sentiments in their favor, and the result was evident in the 1996 general elections, when the BJP emerged as the single largest party in the Lok Sabha. The party's journey to national prominence was marked by strategic decisions and relentless perseverance. One such strategic decision was the adoption of the Ram Janmabhoomi movement. This move not only galvanized the BJP's core voter base, but also expanded its appeal among a wider section of the Indian populace. The BJP's rise was not just about political strategy, it was also about tireless ground-level work. The party leadership and cadre worked relentlessly to strengthen the organization at the grassroots level, and their efforts bore fruit in the form of an expanding and loyal voter base. The BJP's journey from a marginal player to a political behemoth was no accident, but a result of strategic decisions and persistent efforts. This journey, marked by audacious decisions and tireless efforts, is a fascinating study of political transformation in the world's largest democracy. But it was under Narendra Modi's leadership that BJP not only consolidated its position, but also redefined Indian politics. The rise of Narendra Modi to the pinnacle of Indian politics signaled a new chapter in the journey of the Bharatiya Janata Party, or BJP. Modi, along with his trusted Lieutenant Amit Shah, embarked on a mission to transform the party and the nation's political landscape. One of the key strategies employed by this dynamic duo was a shift towards grassroots organization. They understood that power in a democracy flows from the people. So, they focused on strengthening the party at the booth level, reaching out to the common man and ensuring their voices were heard. This approach proved to be a game changer, enabling the BJP to penetrate regions previously considered impregnable. Simultaneously, Modi and Shah recognized the potential of technology in reaching out to the masses. They leveraged social media platforms, apps, and digital campaigns to connect with the youth, disseminate their message, and mobilize support. This tech-savvy approach provided them an edge, especially in urban areas and among the younger demographic. But perhaps the most significant aspect of their strategy was the narrative of development. Modi positioned himself as a leader committed to progress, promising to bring about Din or good days. He spoke about economic growth, job creation, and improved governance. His slogan of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, or Together with all, development for all, trust of all, resonated with many, offering a vision of inclusive growth and unity. These strategies had a profound impact on the 2014 and 2019 general elections. In 2014, the BJP secured an absolute majority, a feat not achieved by any party in 3 decades. In 2019, they not only retained power but also increased their seat tally, a testament to their growing popularity. With Narendra Modi at the helm, the BJP has not only enhanced its political footprint but also fundamentally altered the political discourse in India. The party's focus on development, technology, and grassroots organization has ushered in a new era in Indian politics, characterized by a shift from identity to issue-based politics. BJP's strategies have also translated into concrete achievements, reshaping India's socio-economic landscape. This transformation has been spurred by a series of key initiatives. each designed to foster growth and development across the nation. First, let's take a look at the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This initiative, launched in 2014, set an ambitious goal: financial inclusion for every household in India. Aimed at providing banking for the unbanked, the scheme has seen unprecedented success, with over 30 crore bank accounts opened and a total balance exceeding 80,000 crore rupees. This has empowered millions of citizens, providing them with the financial tools to improve their lives. Next, we turn our attention to the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a nationwide campaign for cleanliness and sanitation. Since its inception in 2014, the mission has been instrumental in making India open defecation free, constructing over 10 crore toilets, and bringing about a paradigm shift in people's attitudes towards cleanliness and hygiene. This has not only improved public health, but also has fostered a sense of national pride and community spirit. Finally, let's discuss the Goods and Services Tax, or GST. Introduced in 2017, this landmark tax reform aimed to streamline India's complex tax system by subsuming multiple taxes into one. This has simplified business operations, encouraged transparency, and bolstered the ease of doing business in India. Each of these initiatives has made a significant impact on India's development trajectory. They have propelled the nation forward, driving economic growth, fostering social progress, and improving the quality of life for countless citizens. They are tangible manifestations of the BJP's commitment to India's development, reflecting their strategic approach to governance. However, it's important to note that the BJP's journey has not been without challenges. The party has faced its fair share of controversies and criticisms, from allegations of political opportunism to questions about its commitment to secularism. While the BJP's journey is marked by controversies and criticisms, its contributions to India's development cannot be overlooked. Even as we continue to debate its policies and strategies, we cannot deny the transformative impact it has had on India's socio-economic landscape. As the BJP continues to shape India's future, what does the road ahead look like for the party? The path forward is strewn with both challenges and opportunities. One of the paramount tasks the BJP faces is managing the country's diverse population. This diversity, a strength of the nation, requires sensitive and inclusive governance. The party has shown its capability in the past and will need to continue to do so. The Indian economy, ever dynamic, poses another challenge. The BJP will need to respond to shifting economic paradigms, fostering growth while ensuring the welfare of all citizens. This is where their innovative policies can make a significant difference. Maintaining popularity is another task. The BJP, with its robust grassroots structure and charismatic leadership, has a strong foundation. Yet they must continue to resonate with the changing aspirations of the citizens. The BJP's journey is far from over, and the party's strategies and achievements will continue to shape India's political landscape.